The average American will lose over $300,000 to their 401k. Pause. Not from market crashes, not from bad stock picks, from fees they don't even know they're paying, and the financial industry is counting on you never figuring this out. Today I'm going to show you exactly where your money is disappearing, who's taking it, and the 3 steps to stop the bleeding before it's too late. Let's start with the silent killer, expense ratios. Pause. Your 401k is stuffed with mutual funds. Every single one of those funds charges you a percentage of your money every year, whether they make you money or not. The average 401k fund charges around 1%. That sounds tiny, right? 1%. Who cares? Here's who cares. You. Because that 1% compounds against you for 30 or 40 years. Let me show you the real math. If you invest $500 a month for 35 years at a 7% return with a 0.1% fee, what you'd pay in a low-cost index fund, you'd retire with about $825,000. Same investment, same return, but with a 1% fee, you retire with $540,000. Pause. That's $285,000 that vanished. Gone. Not to taxes, not to inflation, to fees, and that's assuming your 401k only charges 1%. Many charge far more when you stack administrative fees, record-keeping fees, and transaction costs. Some plans are bleeding you 2% or more annually. Now here's where it gets infuriating. Your employer picks your 401k provider, and most employers, they don't pick the best funds for employees. They pick the funds that cost them the least to administer. That means you get stuck with expensive, actively managed funds that underperform the market 90% of the time over a 15-year period. Pause. 90%. You're paying premium prices for a product that loses to a basic index fund almost every single time. This is like paying for first-class tickets but getting stuffed in the cargo hold. But wait, there's another trap, and almost nobody talks about this one. Your 401k is designed to keep you locked in. Pause. When you leave a job, you have options. Leave the money, roll it to an IRA, or roll it to your new employer's plan. The smart move, in most cases, is rolling to an IRA where you control the investments and can access ultra low-cost funds. But here's what happens. You call your 401k provider to roll over your money, and suddenly they're very helpful. They'll offer to assist with your rollover. They'll recommend their own IRA products. Products that happen to have surprise, high fees, and loaded funds. They're not helping you. They're retaining your assets so they can keep skimming. Pause. Every major 401k provider makes billions from this exact playbook. They're not stupid. They know most people will take the path of least resistance and leave money sitting in high-fee accounts forever. Now, let me be clear. I'm not saying abandon your 401k, that would be insane. If your employer matches contributions, that's free money. A 50% or 100% match beats any fee drag in the short term, but you need to play this game smarter. Here's your 3-step action plan. Pause. Step 1. Pull up your 401k statement right now. Find your fund's expense ratios. Anything over 0.5% is a red flag. Anything over 1% is theft in slow motion. If your plan offers a low-cost index fund option, like an S&P 500 index or total market fund, use it. Dump the expensive, actively managed garbage. Step 2. Check for a brokerage window. Some 401k plans offer a self-directed brokerage option that lets you invest in almost anything, including ultra-low-cost ETFs. Most people don't even know this exists. Call your plan administrator and ask. Step 3. When you leave a job, and you will leave jobs, roll your 401k to a low-cost IRA at Fidelity, Vanguard, or Schwab. Do the paperwork yourself. Don't let the old provider help you into their high-fee products. Pause. Look, the retirement industry spends billions convincing you everything is fine, that you should just set it and forget it, that the fees are normal. They're banking on your confusion. They're banking on your inaction. But you watched this video. You know the game now, and knowing the game is how you stop losing it. If this video saved you money, or just made you think, hit subscribe. I drop videos every week exposing the financial traps nobody warns you about. One click and you're ahead of 90% of people sleepwalking into retirement. I'm Brian Justice. I'll see you in the next one.